Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something super exciting, especially for the builders and car lovers out there. It's the brand new LEGO Technic Lamborghini Revuelto super sports car. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link in the description below to grab yours before it sells out. This one's a must-have for 2025. Let's get building. Brick emoji. Checkered flag emoji. First impressions and design. Alright, let's start with the basics. This is not just a toy, it's a showpiece. Inspired by the Lamborghini Revuelto, the design is packed with authentic details, from the sleek aerodynamic shape to the signature Lambo angles, lime green colorway, and realistic low-profile stance. With over 800 pieces, this build offers the perfect mix of challenge and fun for kids ages 10+, and honestly, even adults will love putting this together. Brick emoji, building experience. Now, if you're a LEGO Technic fan, you already know the vibe, and this one delivers. Step-by-step instructions are super clear and beginner-friendly. The build includes working suspension, a V12 engine with moving pistons, and realistic steering and drivetrain mechanics. You even get opening scissor doors, just like the real Lamborghini. This isn't just building a model, it's engineering in miniature. Gear emoji. Present emoji, perfect for gifts or display. Whether you're shopping for a birthday, holiday, or just want to treat yourself, this Lamborghini Technic set is an awesome gift for kids who love STEM, cars, or hands-on play, teen builders and collectors, and of course, adult fans of LEGO and supercars. Once it's built, it makes for a killer display piece on a shelf, desk, or even in a collection case. Family emoji, who's it for? LEGO recommends it for ages 10 and up, but let's be honest, car lovers of all ages will appreciate the craftsmanship in this one. It's a great bonding activity for parents and kids, or a satisfying solo build for anyone who loves a good challenge. And yes, it's gender neutral. Boys, girls, everyone can enjoy this awesome blend of LEGO fun and Italian speed. White check mark emoji, final thoughts. So is the LEGO Technic Lamborghini Revuelto worth it? 100% yes. It's engaging to build, stunning to look at, and full of realistic Technic mechanics that bring this legendary supercar to life. Whether you're building it, gifting it, or showing it off, this set is a total win. Bullseye emoji, where to buy? Want to grab one for yourself or someone special? Hit the link in the description below to get your hands on the Lamborghini Revuelto Technic set, while it's still in stock. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome LEGO and tech content, and drop a comment letting me know your favorite Technic builds so far. Until next time, keep building, keep racing. Brick emoji, race car emoji, fire emoji.